This is a look at the genuine Gerber 98-688 hot stem and bonnet assembly. It is a genuine Gerber replacement part. You can see it comes with the friction washer here. About ½ an inch from base here to the top of the stem. About a quarter of an inch diameter on the stem itself. Right about ½ an inch diameter right there. And then about 1½ inches overall. And this is the hot stem for a bunch of different Gerber kitchen faucets. A couple of the models are 42-238 and 42-108. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 98-688 hot stem and bonnet assembly.